Manufacturing complex parts traditionally means juggling multiple vendors, timelines, and shipping delays. At Modus Advanced, we've built a better way. Every time a part changes hands between vendors, you risk delays, miscommunication, and quality issues. A single RF shield might typically require 4 different manufacturers, meaning 4 times the risk. That's why we've brought every critical process under one roof.
Modus has built a vertically integrated manufacturing system that allows us to move with speed and precision. And so by being vertically integrated, in other words, having multiple manufacturing processes under one roof, we're able to move quickly but also control everything from end to end, and that all flows through our strict quality standards of AS9100, and so that ultimately our customers are able to get product on time and meeting the quality standards that they require.
We're able to work with the customer very closely on the features necessary to put it all together, versus when they just deal with separate shops that might do a machining, and then it comes to us and we want to put a gasket on it, and we go, hey, Mr. Customer, this isn't going to work because of this feature. Can you take this out? And then they're kind of backtracking. So by working with Modus up front on these, we solve the problems up front, and it's a quick solution, and they get the product in a timely manner and reduce lead times from what they were originally being quoted from if you're using multiple suppliers.
From CNC machining to FIP gasket dispensing to plating and thermal materials, one team, one facility, one partner for your entire project. While one team machines your housing, another preps materials for your gaskets. As plating completes, thermal materials are already being converted. It's a continuous motion, not constant shipping. The result? Shorter lead times, lower freight costs, and most importantly, one partner fully accountable for your success.
I would say the benefits of a vertical integrated system, it's risk reduction. You have one company to worry about, right? You don't have parts flying all over the country to go through multiple different processes. The other is it's a time and labor savings. Having dedicated folks that can handle everything for you, it saves a lot of time and a lot of resources.
We've added processes to our vertical pipeline in order to best serve our customers. Everything from that up from DFM consulting, to our sales team, to our engineering team, to our custom gasket design, our materials selection process, and the component manufacturing processes that we do in-house, from coatings to thermal management to RF management, etc., that our customers need. Our customers do not want to manage 3 to 4 suppliers at a time, and at Modus we take all of that hard work out of the equation, and we can deliver that turnkey solution to our customers, which vastly reduces risk on the project and the program from our customer base. Partner with Modus Advanced for truly integrated manufacturing, because one day matters.